Now, as for the current Ravens, they are getting ready for the Houston Texans on Monday Night Football, but their shutout victory in Green Bay last week turned out to be kind of beneficial for some fans in Green Bay looking for a cold one.
Yeah, you think they were maybe rooting for the opposing team for a minute.
At some point.
A bar in Wisconsin had a promotion where they serve up free beer until the Packers score.
Oh, boy.
Since they didn't score in the Ravens' 23-0 win, about 200 people at the brewery were served about 300 cups of free beer throughout the entire game.
300 beers.
The general manager says he doesn't plan on discontinuing the promotion. He's keeping it going, staying strong, but he's hoping maybe he doesn't have to give away that much beer next time.
It's probably a better effective for the beer for the place when Aaron Rodgers is playing for the Packers. He wasn't there Sunday, and they did not score.